Kia ore hoa mā, kei te pēhea koutou, ka rawe, kei te pai ahau. Nau mai ki No Frills te Reo Māori. Today I want to talk to you about whakataukī. It's gonna be quick, but it's gonna be good. What is a whakataukī? Whakataukī is a proverb. A whakataukī is a significant saying. A whakataukī is essential in a whai kōrero. A whakataukī I te reo Pākehā would sound like this. Better late than never. I happen to disagree in that one. A picture paints 1,000 words. True, but boring. All good things must come to an end. Bit depressing. But the icing on a cake e hoa mā is a whakataukī I te reo Māori. They just take on a whole different meaning, and they are usually very deep. And I'm going to give you two of my best examples. These are two of my most favourite whakataukī. But first, he aha tō tino whakataukī. Leave it in the comments, send me a private message. I'll be keen to learn your favourite whakataukī. Now for my two. Tuatahi. Hurihia tō aro aro ki te rā. Tukuna tō tārangi kia taka ki muri I a koe. Oh we, did you feel that e hoa mā? What does that mean? It means turn your face to the sun and the shadows fall behind you. Everybody's going to have their own different interpretation of that. But for me, and this is very relevant for the times we're in right now, everything that's going on, anything negative that you're faced with, it depends what direction you want to turn, and if you turn in the right direction, those shadows will fall behind you. Oh we, karawe. Tua toru, and this is wonderful, catch this. E tū ki te kei o te waka, kia pakia koe e ngangaru o te wā. I believe that whakataukī was gifted ki ngā pirihimana o Aotearoa by Apirana Mahuika, the late Apirana Mahuika, and that goes along the lines of stand at the stern of the waka, or of the canoe, and feel the spray of the future biting at your face. And what I get from that is the challenges that you've got ahead of you, they're not going to feel good, but you stand there, embrace it, grit your teeth, stand at the head of the waka, and just own them, face them head on. So they're my favourite e hoa mā. I'm going to end it there. Kia pai tō rā, kia pai tō wiki.